Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone and PC. Enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and connect via cable. Install ADB on your computer so you can run commands. This is necessary because the system UI blocks direct removal. Once connected, run a package listing to identify exact package names. This prevents removing the wrong app. Make sure the phone shows the authorized prompt and you accept it. From here, you'll issue uninstall or disable commands tailored to each package name. You now identify the precise packages to change. Accuracy matters. Run the PM list packages command and grep for vendor prefixes like com, my, or com, Xiaomi to narrow results. Once identified, disable risky system apps first to test impact using PM disable user. This avoids permanent changes. If the app is user installable, uninstall via a DB uninstall. For pre-installed system apps, use PM uninstall user 0 to remove them for the current user. Once removal commands finish, reboot and verify that core services, telephony, launcher notifications work. You want to confirm both the removed app is gone and no dependent feature broke. If you see issues, re-enable the specific package immediately using PM enable to restore functionality. This is faster than full restore. For persistent failures or a soft brick, use your backup or My Recovery/Fastboot to flash stock firmware. Always keep a tested backup and a list of changed packages for quick rollback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.